Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about breakout boxes and how you can use Google in order to make it a more engaging experience and also a little bit more efficient experience. So what I have done here in our breakout area in our folders, we have created like a back office for my staff because I work in a library and our staff helps teachers get all of the breakout boxes set up for their students. So we have a couple of different items. We have setting up a breakout samples, box items. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through a little bit of what those folders are. So the back office, what it has is a form for teachers to fill out to tell us what the codes are going to be. We try to reset them back to where they were before, but we've found that a lot of times the locks, they will jam the more times that you are resetting the locks. So it's helpful for us to do that and have them fill out a form. So if you would like me to share that with you, I would be more than happy to. So what it has is like a worksheet that is linked from BreakOut EDU that they've given us, and it causes the teachers to like really think about how the different levels are going to be with their breakout and how they're going to make all of the clues go together. And then they can choose how many boxes they need, et cetera, all of the different locks moving forward. Then what that does is it populates into a spreadsheet for us. And these teachers then have given us their breakouts. We now know the different codes for them, and it's just a place that we can keep all of those in one nice place so we can refer to them later. And going back, so box items, this is directly from BreakOut EDU. I just added it in here. So it's all of the different images that people would need in case they did a full-blown breakout that was just digital, that they didn't even have the locks, or they have the locks, or they're doing a tutorial for it. So I like that Breakout has done that for us. We've also made placemats. So based on the breakout that they're doing, we can create our own little placemat and laminate it. So when the kids are done and finished with the locks, they can put them on the table when they are completed with that. So that's been really helpful for our teachers. We also have a spot for samples. So this is where I put actual breakouts that the teachers have shared with us. So we've got some different breakout games, all of the pieces that it's taken for those teachers to do that breakout. We've housed it in there. And then set up for BreakOut EDU. It's just something that's helped us. We've got our placemat templates, we've used slides, and then we actually print poster size with that because of the features in slides that will allow you to do that. I also want to take a quick look over here at the how to set up a digital form. So if you go in, we had a Halloween breakout and we created a Google form. The URL was inside of the small lockbox, and so the kids got this piece of paper that was laminated. They wrote on it with a dry erase marker, and so different clues had different letters that were underlined in order to break out of the alpha lock. So what we did was we created a Google form that the kids had to complete all of their different riddles, and when they were finished, we used a short answer, made it required, and we also check the box for response validation. What this causes the kids to do is that it's almost like a short answer quiz, that they have to answer it correctly in order to get it right, or they have to fill in a code. Say you were going to do a test online. Same thing, you want them to put in the code, then it will let you go into the next section or to complete and submit the form. They have to have this correct. So we said text because it was the alpha lock, contains, and then we had the code here. We also had try again. The other thing that you could type in here is try again, make sure it's all lower case. Okay, so then that would pop up if the kids were typing it in and it was incorrect, they would get this prompt. Now, what we also did was in the settings, we chose presentation, and the confirmation message for the 3-digit lock. So this then took them to the next clue. We gave them some different clues, and then we said, go on your merry way. But that was how we used it to then lead them to the next spot and the next lock. These are a couple of great ways that we have used Google in order to get our kids using breakouts and for helping our teachers get a little bit more organized with it. Hopefully it was helpful for you.